Perfect. Perfect.
Hey queens, it's your girl Ashley back with another video, and today you're going to be getting ready with me for a date night with the hubby. So I have some old dry crusty hair here from an old braid out, I believe, and what I'm going to be doing is turning it into a dry wash and go. I only have less than 30 minutes to get ready for our date, so I'm in crunch mode. So I've already done the front, as you can see, and it's looking a lot better than how I started off. So I thought I would turn on the camera and just show you guys my process. So what I'm doing now is sectioning off the hair in the back that's not done yet, and I'm having to clip away the front so that I won't mess it up. So if you're doing this, you want to make sure you start in the back. Don't be like me and start in the front for whatever reason. But I just wanted to check and see that it was actually going to work and be a cute hairstyle. So what I'm doing with each smaller section is saturating the hair with my water bottle to get the hair good and wet and pliable to put the product over it. So I'm making sure that each section is hydrated, and then I'm going in with my cream. As you can see, I'm using about that much per section, and I'm just raking it through with my fingers first and kind of finger detangling. This is not a hard process at all, and I'm using the Talia Wajid curly curl cream, which for me works very good on a dry wash and go because it has the hold and it has the defining properties that I need. I'm going in also with my Tangle Teaser to help boost those curls to pop. So once I feel like I've gotten it pretty good with the brush, I'm just going back in and kind of finger detangling, and it doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to kind of curl up. As you can see, I do have a lot of shrinkage even though this starts off on dry hair. But ladies, do not fear the shrinkage. Shrinkage is definitely a sign of healthy hair. I do have a fresh cut here, so it's just got that bounce back. That's all that shrinkage really is. So don't fear. I can also show you guys a video of how I would stretch this to make it bigger and more voluminous and longer, but not in this video. So I have finished my hair and I'm just doing a shake to kind of let those curls clump together, and of course the product is going to dry clear, and I'm just kind of fluffing as needed. So of course you can go in and see exactly where you want to put your part, or if you want to gel down the sides or brush it down, pull it back, however you want to wear it. But this is just a super quick hairstyle to do when getting ready for a date night or a night out with your girls or whatever. So this is the perfect quick get ready style. So I'm coming back to you now with my face pretty much done. I put on my foundation, my highlight, my contour, and bronzed a little bit. So what I'm going to do now are my eyes, and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette from Juvia's place, this pink one right here. And I'm going to be going for a pink purplish type of look. So first I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going into the outer corner of the eye with more of a purple pink type of color, and I'm just going from the outer corner almost to the midsection just to get some good coverage. As you can see, Juvia's place is very pigmented, and I did prime my eye with some concealer and some powder over it, but I feel like whatever you prime your eyes with, Juvia's place is still going to show because it's so pigmented. So I'm going back and forth between the left and the right eye to make sure that both eye looks are identical and symmetrical. So I'm going to make sure I've got some good coverage with that first color. So now I'm going to go in and switch brushes. So my next brush, I'm going in with a fluffier eyeshadow brush, and I'm kind of going in with more of a hot pink color just to give it a little pop right in the center there. I'm only placing it right there. And again, I'm doing both eyes, making sure they look exactly the same. And then just to top this quick look off, I'm going to go back in with my flat brush, and I'm going to get a more of a silver um, shimmery type of color here, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner and kind of go towards the middle a little bit so you can see a good amount of this color too, just to contrast the eye a little bit. So as you can see, the look is coming along great, and it's very, very, very simple to do. And lastly, I'm going back in with my fluffy brush with a brown type of transition color, and I'm putting that right in the crease. So a lot of people start with that crease color in the beginning, but to me it doesn't matter. It still gives me the desired look I'm going for. So at the bottom here, I'm going in with those same pink colors and doing the bottom lid just to bring the eye look all together at the top and the bottom. So I'm going to go right above my lashes here and go in with some eyeliner. I typically don't do a look without eyeliner, so I'm going in to do a very thin line above my eyes here, and then of course you can't skip the mascara on the bottom lashes. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright y'all, this look is coming to an end. I popped on my magnetic lashes. If you have not seen that video or tutorial yet, go check it out. I do have a video on magnetic lashes, very simple to do. And so I'm just going to finish off this look with my lips. So I put on a reddish brown lip liner and then some clear gloss. But just to make it pop a little bit more, I'm putting in some mauve pink right into the center and just putting my lips together kind of to spread it out a little bit. So here is the completed look. Very quick, very simple to do.